Got a 2025 Honda HR-V. We're going to reset the maintenance light today. We've got this left-hand switch pack here. Got the home button and the scroller. So go ahead and click home, and it brings you to this list here on the left-hand side of the cluster. We can scroll down to maintenance. Push the scroller in to hit OK. You can see oil life right there, 50%. We're going to reset that. Push and hold the scroll button. It's going to take a few seconds. And now you can see we're at our maintenance reset menu. You can scroll up and down, you know, item 1, item 2, item 3. And right now we're going to do all items. So we're going to push OK with the scroll button there. And the reset is complete. Oil life 100%. You can back out to your home screen and scroll back to whatever screen you would like. That's all there is to it.